guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. I know puff puff is one Nigerian snack that everyone loves and always struggles to make, and also gets those perfect puff puff balls. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most simplified, easy and fail-proof puff puff recipe, and also 2 ways to scoop your puff puff into your hot oil to get the perfect puff puff balls. Now, if this sounds interesting and something you want to learn, please keep watching as we get into the recipe.
For making puff puff, you're going to need all-purpose flour. For this particular recipe, I am using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I am going to add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can add more depending on how sweet you want your sugar, but follow these exact measurements and you get the perfect puff puff. I added 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast, and then I gave that a good mix and set aside. Now for my puff puff, I always love to use milk, so I am diluting some powdered milk with warm water. Please ensure that the water is warm enough to feed a baby and not more than that temperature. Okay, pour that into your puff puff mixture. I always say eyeball your milk or your water that you are using, and then just mix till you get a dough of this consistency. It doesn't have to be too light, it doesn't have to be too thick, because if it is too light, your puff puff is going to get watery after rising. Now I used a total of 1 cup of milk. Okay, once you have that consistency going, go ahead and cover this. Keep in a warm place, preferably your kitchen, for at least an hour till it is risen and it looks like this. Take off that cling film or kitchen towel, whatever you use in closing it up, and then it should look like this. Now you can make your puff puff using 2 methods: the hand method or an empty ketchup jar. All you need to do is just fill your empty ketchup jar. Please endeavor to check that it has like a tiny mouth dispenser like this. Fill it up with the puff puff batter and then just use it like this. For people that do not like to use their hands or you can't get a good shape, this is not going to give you the perfect round shape, but then it works. And you can use this method if you're not used to using your hand or you do not have a batter dispenser. I hope you found that helpful. I personally like to go the traditional way, which is using my hands, but for anyone that wants to try this method, this is the kind of shape that you're going to get. The more you do it, the better you're going to get anyway. Fry this in hot oil. Ensure that your oil is over medium low when you're frying so they do not burn, and then just scoop out once you achieve your desired golden brown color. Just check out this puff puff. Really good, really easy. Now once you want to use your hand, you're going to make sure that you oil it, and then watch this video properly. Can you see how I'm scooping it onto the side of my hand, and then you drop? You scoop, you drop, you scoop, you drop. That gives you the perfect puff puff balls. I believe you must have seen some puff puff vendors doing this. It is really that easy, and trust me, this is the most detailed step-by-step puff puff recipe video you would ever come across. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to try out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have questions, if you have issues when it comes to making puff puff, do let me know in the comment section. In the description box, you're going to find all of the ingredients and their measurements written there, so check that out as well. If you're not subscribed, do click the subscribe button and be a part of my family. Also, let me know what other Nigerian snacks you'd like me to film for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the one we made with the dispenser bottle, and this is your final puff puff. Really easy, delicious. I hope you try it out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.